Here I am logged into the Instant Product Engine members area. It's a web-based system, so you can use it on any computer, Windows or Mac. There's a help desk if you need help, and there's a page of video tutorials to show you everything you need to know. But as you're about to see from this quick demonstration, the system is pretty much self-explanatory and very easy to use. I'm going to click on the Products tab. Your membership to the Instant Product Engine today includes all 5 of these products that you can rebrand as your own. And as a member, you'll have the right to acquire additional products from us. So by no means will you be limited to these 5 products, but this is more than enough to get you started today. These products come with full private label rights and resale rights. Private label rights, also known as PLR, means that you can put your own name on the product. You can edit it. You can really turn it into your own product. And resale rights means that you can sell the product as your very own and you can keep 100% of the profits. Okay, so it's your product and your profits. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with these kind of products. Of course, there's no guarantee that you'll make any certain amount of money, but I'll tell you that from my personal experience, it's possible to make a lot of money with it, and this is one of the biggest shortcuts that I've ever found for making money online. So here's the big twist that sets this system apart from any private label rights products that you've seen before and absolutely blows them out of the water. The Instant Product Engine allows you to rebrand the entire product package, including the graphics, using our point-and-click technology. So instead of merely downloading a private label rights product, you're going to be downloading a product that you've personally named. It'll have your name or pen name on it as the author. So let's say, for example, I want to start with this product here that teaches how to dominate on social media. The default title is Social Media Sovereign. If you've bought any PLR products in the past, then the way it typically works is everyone downloads the same product. So everyone's trying to resell the same product with the same graphics, the same exact name, right? Our Instant Product Engine solves that problem. Instead of downloading the same PLR product as everyone else, you'll be downloading your own unique version with your own name on it. I'm going to click this button where it says Brand and Download. Here where it says first name and last name, it will be pre-populated with your name from your account. However, you could put in a pen name or a fake name if you prefer. So for this example, we'll say my name is Eric Tester, and I'll click Next. The product title allows you to completely rename the product. I could call it something like Social Media Traffic Plan. Or better yet, you could target it for a specific niche. We'll say something like Social Media for Videographers. If this were a normal resale rights product, it would be called Social Media Sovereign, and you wouldn't have a choice in the matter, and everyone would be selling it under the same name and competing against each other. But look what happens if I go over to Google and search for Social Media for Videographers. There are 0 results. There are no exact matches. So I could use this product name and have no competition. Plus, this would be a great way to break into that niche. And you can use that strategy to break into thousands of sub-niches for any of these 5 products and any other products that you acquire for the Instant Product Engine in the future. You can come up with your own product names and essentially eliminate the competition. Okay, so back to the product engine. You can also customize the product subtitle. We'll skip it now to save time. And then you can put in your website address. If you don't have a website yet, that's okay. We'll show you how to get set up with one. It's easy. So for now, I'll just use instantproductengine.com. And I'll click Submit. And as you can see, it says Final Step, Customize Graphics with Instant Graphic Engine. The Instant Graphic Engine is a part of the Instant Product Engine, and it's incredibly powerful. What we've created here is a point-and-click interface where you can actually customize the product graphics with your own product name. I'll double-click here on the word Social Media, I'll select the text, and I'll add the word For. Now the same thing with Sovereign. I'll select it, and change the text to Videographers. And if I wanted to, I could change the font, I could use various text effects, I could move it, I could rotate it, I could even copy the layer. We basically took the same tools that we would normally use in Photoshop or some high-end complicated $700 graphics program, and we built them into our system and we made them easy to use. I'll go ahead and move on to the next part of this step, and this will be used to create various graphics for your product. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same things on this one. I'll add the word For, move that over a little bit here, and we'll change Sovereign to Videographers. And I'll need to shrink that down a little. There we go. We'll just make that fit. While we're at it, I'll go ahead and shrink this one down a little as well. We could change the subtitle if we wanted to, and I'll go ahead and change this domain to instantproductengine.com. I'll click this green submit button in the corner, and now you can see the system is processing the product. It's literally customizing it with my own name and graphics. So when you run the system, it'll be customizing everything with your name and graphics. Alright, it says Social Media for Videographers has been completely rebranded and is ready to download. I'm going to click to download the zip file. And remember, this is not the same zip file that everyone is downloading. This is a personalized zip file with your customized product in it. I'll go ahead and unzip this file. And there are going to be 3 folders within that file that you download. First, we'll look in the HTML site folder. This is a complete pre-made website ready for you to upload. Literally, the only thing that needs to be done is to add your payment link to the sales page, and you can upload all these files and you're in business. Now, if you're new to this, don't worry about it. We'll show you how to get this website online so you can start making sales. So let's look at the site. The index file is the sales page. And when I open it, the first thing that you notice is my customized graphic here at the top, Social Media for Videographers. And that'll be customized with your product name and subtitle. You'll also see that your chosen name has been added to the sales page. And most importantly, you'll see that you have a professionally written sales letter designed to sell your product. As I scroll through here, you'll notice that your customized product name has been inserted throughout the sales letter. It says here, Social Media for Videographers, and it's got a picture of the product again with your customizations. And I hadn't even mentioned this yet, but each product is more than just an ebook. It's a digital ebook in PDF format, along with a worksheet, a checklist, and a process map. You'll find that your custom product name and customized graphics are throughout the entire page. It presents the worksheet, the checklist, and the process map as fast action bonuses. And it builds up your product to an amazing $525 value. Now you can choose your own price and sell it for whatever reasonable price you think is best. But just think, at $17, you could sell this product all day long. Again, it's got your name inserted here in the order area. And it even generates a signature for you at the end of the sales letter. And of course, if you want to edit the sales letter and customize it further, you're welcome to do so. And one more thing I want to mention about the sales page is that it's fully responsive. So it looks good on any size screen, whether that be a computer monitor, an iPad, or a mobile phone. You also get a download page, which as you can see has your product name on it and conveniently includes download instructions and a download link for your customers to download your product. And you also get a squeeze page. This squeeze page is designed to build your list and to pre-sell your product if you choose to do so. On this squeeze page, you'll be giving away a free report, which is also included in this package. If you're using a double opt-in for your list, you'll want to take the visitor to a confirmation page. And we've included one of those too. As you can see, we've got it branded with your product, and then there's a link to take the visitor to your sales page at the web address that you specified when you entered the information into the Instant Product Engine. We've also included a confirmation success page, so once your subscriber confirms their opt-in, they'll be taken to this page, which contains the download link for the free report that you're giving to them, so that you can deliver that on autopilot. And then once again, you've got a link on the page to take them to your sales page to sell them your product. And lastly, we're including a blank template branded with your custom product, so if you want to add more pages to your site, you can easily do so. The next folder is the main product, which contains your customized product for you to sell. The product comes pre-packaged in a zip file, so it's all ready for you to upload and sell. Let's take a look and see what's inside that zip file. The first thing that you'll notice is that the file names are customized with your product name. You've got the main ebook, the checklist, the process map, and the worksheet. So let's go ahead and look at the ebook. The front page is of course perfectly designed with your product name and your web address. The next page has your name on it as the author. And then you've got an optional link here which goes to the web address of your choice. And again, this is from the information that we entered into the engine. So you could use this to advertise another one of your products, or you could even use an affiliate link here as an extra way of monetizing this product. And you've got your table of contents, okay? All in all, this ebook is 98 pages long. Next, you've got a checklist, which is designed to help your customers stay on track and take action so they can really succeed with this product. This checklist is 5 pages long. Next, you've got the process map. And lastly, you've got the worksheet. This one is actually 21 pages long, and it's basically like homework, again, to help your customers really learn the course and succeed with your product. Okay, and the last folder contains the short report that you're able to give away to build your list and pre-sell your product. If I open up this report, you'll see that it is 23 pages long, and at the end of the report is a link that takes the reader to your sales page using the web address that you specified in the Instant Product Engine. Is that awesome or what? Now, before I forget, I need to mention that you're also getting the source files for all these product files that we just looked at. On that same page where we clicked to rebrand the product, there's a link that says source files. You can click this link and download a zip file containing all the source files. Let's go ahead and look inside that zip file. You've got the Microsoft Word source document for the main ebook, as well as the checklist, the short report, and the worksheet. There's also a source file for the process map. So if you want to open up any of those files and make your own customizations and changes, you can do that. So that's our quick demonstration.